I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Story on the violin easily. Start by ensuring your violin is perfectly tuned to G, D, A, and E. Proper tuning is crucial for a beautiful sound. Next, focus on a relaxed yet firm grip of both your violin and bow. This foundational posture will prevent tension and allow for fluid movement. We'll begin in first position, which is ideal for learning this melody easily. Let's dive into the melody. We'll start with the open A string, which forms the basis of the first few notes. Remember to use a long, even bow stroke, drawing it from the frog to the tip. This creates a full, resonant sound. Practice these initial phrases at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to internalize the rhythm before increasing speed. Now let's add some fingers. Place your first finger on the B note on the A string, then your second finger for C sharp, and your third finger for D. Keep your fingers curved and press down firmly right behind the fret. This ensures clear, ringing notes. Focus on smooth transitions between the open string and these fingered notes, aiming for seamless sound. Consistent practice is key to mastering Love Story. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day. Incorporate a metronome into your routine, starting at a slow tempo like 60 beats per minute, and gradually increasing it will greatly improve your rhythm. Also, listen to the original song frequently to internalize the melody and its emotional nuances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.